Taipei 101, looking down in the world. Came up at quite a good time because I caught it at the end of daylight, and now the nights are coming on. So the key time to come up is about between 5 and 6 p.m. and you get to see it at night and in day. So yeah, big city down there in Taipei. From the tallest building in the world, Taipei 101. Listen to the headset. Tells you all the other tall buildings. Taipei 101 at the moment is the tallest at 508 meters. 508. Then it's Shanghai. Then Kuala Lumpur. Then Sears Tower, Chicago. Qinmao Building, Shanghai. Hong Kong's International Finance Center. Guangzhou in China, City Plaza. Another China one. Empire State, traditional New York. Hong Kong gets in again, Central Plaza. So it's the top 10 in the world. And this one is Taipei 101, it's number 1. It's probably one of the world's highest road signs, really. So yeah, Taipei 101, Johnny Blair reporting live from the top.